So, while shopping at the dump, I pulled this out of the bottom of the scrap steel bin. Now, it just looks too new to throw away. It doesn't have the bar. But it's 42cc 18-inch bar, so I'll find a new bar for it. Look at the muffler, it's never been beat up, it's got a bit of sawdust on it. Hell of a good find. So I've just poured the old gas out of it and put some new gas in it. I'm gonna see if it runs. Kind of a goofy stop thing, I guess that's all right. Choked. Oh, right away. Gotta love that. Runs like a top. A Poulan Pro Classic 42cc 18-inch bar. Oh, I also got a golf club too, but I don't play golf. But I needed it to pull that out of the bin. And while I was down there, I found a body hammer that I might use on that thing.